Hello everyone, how to calculate salary in Excel. So let's start step by step. So here you can see I have a data, employees details. So employee name and the basic salary, HRA, allowance, deduction. So here I'm going to calculate first gross salary. Gross salary means total earnings before deduction. So in this data, the employee's total earning is basic salary, HRA and allowance. These are all earnings of employees. Okay. So to calculate the gross salary, just add this all earning of employees. So select the cell and type here gross salary and is equal to select the first basic salary, then plus HRA plus allowance and press the enter. That's it. Here the total earning is calculated of Rahul employees. Okay. Just select the cell and drag the formula below the cell. Okay. Now I'm going to calculate net salary. Net salary after deductions. So first type here net salary. Okay. Is equal to select the first gross salary and minus deduction. Net salary means after deduction. Okay. And press the enter. Select the cell and drag the formula below the cell. And that's it. So this is a way you can calculate salary in Excel. Hope you understood. If you like this video, subscribe the channel. Thank you.